Hi everyone, I'm Fabian. I'm an investor here in Austin, and I'm really excited to show you my first project actually here in Austin. My first flip. It's a 6-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and we just did a full remodel. As you can see, well, this is a traditional style that was in great condition, so we haven't changed much, in front of the house. Besides changing, the accent lights, which I'm really happy with. We fixed also the driveway. And we also cleaned up, the front yard. So let's go and check it out inside. Hi, welcome. Please come in. You can see here the entrance with the formal dining room. Part of the remodeling here, we've added a lot of recessed light. It was a very dark place, as you could see also in the before video. We changed all the flooring, we repainted the walls, we changed all the trims. So really, brighten up the space. So you have to think that before, there was no lights. We had carpet, we had tiles, for the flooring, and it was even unused. So now this is welcoming entrance for a dining to have the entire family in this room. And then, it's also leading into an office. So here we changed the doors. Now we have open French doors. We changed all the handles, and we continue also with the same type of flooring. We repainted the walls, we added some accent walls also in gray, and same thing, we changed the trims and we added more recessed lighting just to brighten up this space, especially for an office. Nowadays, everyone wants to have an office right at home, whether they work from home or they have the ability also to work after hours, at home. All right, so the great thing about this office is actually connected into the master bathroom. Here it's also a complete remodel where we changed, all the cabinets. This is a brand new one, double sink with gold accent in blue. Just have something that is younger, that pops, and also new vanity lights with gold accent. In this corner, brand new tiles, new freestanding bathtub. We're gonna have the shower. This is just one of the little things that we need to finalize here. And also we play with the mosaic tiles, the gold accents, with the hardware and the fixtures. So great thing here too, we added more, recessed lighting as well. Lots of space, walk-in closet. Seriously, I'm jealous because there's so much space in this house. Also more recessed lights inside the closet to brighten up that space. So yeah, now we can move on to the next room, which is connected to the master bedroom. Very spacious. I mean, this is really the queen of the house. It's facing the pool. Also a lot of recessed lights and a new ceiling fan. So we've continued with the same type of flooring, new trims, fresh paint, and just, a really spacious and bright space. And you get to enjoy also the view of the pool. All right, so now I would like to show you more the living space. So walking outside the master bedroom, we get right into the living room. So double story high, this is a great space. We also, refreshed all the paint. Here we added more ceiling lights as well, new ceiling fan. And we've continued with this floor, which, personally I love it because it's scratch resistant, it's water resistant, and it's just versatile, especially for, a big family. I mean, again, this is a house with close to 6 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. There's gonna be traffic, so we wanna have an easygoing flooring that's gonna last for the long term. Here with the fireplace, we resurfaced entirely the fireplace with new tiles, white grout. I just love, the contrast between the two, and to also, blend with everything else with this kind of furniture, Again, staging in the house is so crucial because it helps really the buyers, to visualize the space. I've been here, before the staging, and now it's just like it feels so different. It changed the energy of this house. Great space that is also open to the kitchen. So now, like, the kitchen has been completely transformed. I mean, we're talking about new counter, quartz, deep sink, new faucets. We also changed the configuration of the kitchen island. I mean, before they were like really like deep triangle shape on each side, which was basically cluttering the space to walk around. We resurfaced the cabinets. So now we went with a different style shaker, all white. We also added new pools. We changed all the appliances, brand new, and also we've redone all the backsplash. So we're playing again with the contrast of the white with the black everywhere. We added a lot of recessed lights in the ceiling. Again, this was like a darker place before with wallpaper. So we repainted the walls. We painted also the patio door, and also created a space that is just like friendly, airy, and also using a lot of light. So we have also now a very cute breakfast nook with also a new fixture on the ceiling. So this way, the family can really just like relax and also have a view of the patio. All right, so let me show you also the patio outside. We power washed the patio. I mean, it's just in really good condition. We also changed here, like a portion of the patio with gravel and steps leading to the pool. So the pool has been resurfaced. It looks brand new. It looks really nice now. And I wouldn't mind actually jumping in the pool because today it's just hot in Austin. All right, so here actually I wanted to show you where the house bathroom, and it's very convenient, to just be off the living space. So here too, we remodeled everything, we resurfaced the cabinets, new countertop, black faucet, also new mirror, new vanity lights. So it's just a very different and modern design. Okay, so now entering one of the bedroom, very spacious room with the same type of flooring where we changed the trims, we repainted the whole room, and also we have great space with a walk-in closet in each bedroom actually, so this is a big plus. View of the patio, we can continue into the next bedrooms. Now moving on into the next bedroom, also a generous size and also with a walk-in closet. Same thing here, we painted the entire room and we changed the trim. We're still having the same type of flooring and also with the details where we changed all the handles. All right, so here we have a guest bathroom, and this is essentially, like located between 3 bedrooms. So originally we just had like 1 sink. We play with the black accents, with the mirrors, the vanity lights, the faucets. And originally we had only 1 sink. So this time we have 2 sinks, considering we have 3 bedrooms on this side. And also we resurfaced the cabinets. The good thing about this bathroom, it was in really good condition. So we kept the original bathtub and the tiles, of course we cleaned them, and we changed also the fixtures to keep the same style with the black faucets. And now entering the 3rd bedroom on this floor, which has actually vaulted ceiling, very spacious, great configuration, with a little nook in the corner and lots of like closing space. So same thing here, we kept the same flooring, we changed the trims, we repainted the entire room, and it just feels like quiet and facing the front. Okay, so also an important part of the 2nd floor is like we have this loft area. So we mentioned earlier, how important staging is in a house. So here we want to give the idea that's a space that is very flexible, where the kids can be playing, but also the parents can be relaxing at the same time and facing also the front deck. And so here again, it was kind of dark before, so we added more recessed lights and we repainted the whole place. We made sure to maintain those components with a black accent, with the handles, the hinges. And we changed also the chandelier in the stairway. All right, so I mentioned to you I had a surprise for you. So here on the 2nd floor, we have an additional suite. It's an entertainment room, a game room, it could be an Airbnb, it could be the in-laws, it could be friends coming for the weekend. This is just a great space. So here again, we've done, like the same thing, adding more recessed lights. But also it's a big bonus, we added a bar. So originally we just had the plumbing line, but there was nothing. So instead here we've built a new bar, matching the countertops in the kitchen with the sink. Cabinets are matching actually the guest bathroom. So it's a lot of space actually for a bar with a mini fridge and a wine cooler as well. And it just gives an option to the next owners. Alright, so part of this in-suite is actually the bathroom, and with this bathroom actually we also played with a lot of the similar accents we had in the master bathroom downstairs with a gold accent. We resurfaced the cabinets, we changed the countertops, we also have new faucets, new mirrors, new vanity lights. And please check out this shower. I mean, I just love the shower. New tiles, new glass door, also the gold hardware, a new bench, new flower tiles. And this is basically now the last bedroom of this house. I mean, you've seen already like 5 bedrooms technically. This is the 6th bedroom. So this is connected to the game room we just saw before with the in-suite bathroom, and also a lot of like general space, neither too big nor too small, where we repainted everything, we changed the trims, and we're facing the front of the house. So lots of lighting, we're facing the west side. New ceiling fan, it's just a general space, and again that creates altogether an suite which is really separate from the rest of the house. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll have more content coming in. But it's been my pleasure to introduce you to my new project here in Austin, and I hope you'll have a great day.